Hey. Hello, hi, namaste. Welcome back to our channel. We are back with another video. Today we'll be heading towards Narsapur forest. Alright, so now we are heading towards Narsapur forest lake, and we'll be stopping at a point where I'll be joining the others. There are like I guess 3-4 other bikes. Another 14 minutes towards meetup, and maybe another half an hour from there. Just a very short ride today. मैं 10 मिनट्स में पहुंच रहा हूँ. मैं 10 मिनट्स में वहाँ पे पहुंचूंगा. ओके, बाय बाय. हाँ, ओके. So this patch has been very slippery. It's like full mud and some water and oils maybe mixed. A lot of oil spill, water and mud mixed here. Too slippery that was. Let me share one very fond memory of mine with these Rambler speed breakers. Once, this is I guess 2 years ago or more. Once on my previous phone, there was another, I used to have another phone mount on my handlebar. So I was coming back from the airport, picked up my friend and coming back from the airport. And since these Rambler strips, we generally don't care. I run through over them, and phone holder was there, phone cover was also there. But I realized after a while that my phone fell off from this, and the cover was still there. So since then I've been going slow on these Rambler strips, not trying to run over them, especially when I have my phone here. So here we have arrived, and they'll be here soon too. And here we have the Duke 390, Hunter, Avenger, and this guy, Pulsar 220, that is Sham. Nice. Some good view in the morning. Actually, this route is where I have started my group riding journey. Once my friend and me, we were heading towards Narsapur forest, and as a habit I start early in the morning. So I did the same thing that day, and this thing opens around 8:30 or 9:30 AM. I've already been here, like I've reached this place by an hour earlier, and I saw some 10-15 bikes going who stopped near this thing. So that's where I spoke to one of those bikers, and I asked, hey, bro, where you headed to, and started a conversation. They were heading towards Medak, and that's it. I joined them. So that's how I joined Hyderabad Riders Official, and since then been a part of this amazing riding group. If anyone of you watching from Hyderabad and wishing to join this group, I'll drop the Instagram link below. You can message them over Insta. And they'll let you know how you can join the group. Man, oh man, this road. Only thing is, there are a lot of monkeys crossing here and there, so you have to be very careful about it. Other than that, this road is amazing. crossing, so you have to be very, 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 very careful. And a humble request for all the people, everyone traveling here, not only for everyone traveling through this route, do not throw the waste out of your car, bus, or however you're traveling. Do not throw the waste on the road. See, this is what I'm talking about. The trash, do not throw it outside. Particularly on this road, do not maintain completely towards left if you're on a bike. Monkeys will come, they're very unpredictable. So be careful, stay in the middle line of your road, of your lane. Swerve through them and be safe, keep them safe. तेरे को कॉल कर रहा हूँ, लग रहा नहीं है। 2 किलोमीटर के बाद लेफ्ट है। This is the Narsapur lake. This is where we have planned to come today. Let's see how much further we can go, as close as to the water body. Man, oh man, these off-roads. Okay, so I guess this is the maximum we can come. We'll stop here. ఇలా ఎక్కిద్దామా, చూసొద్దామా? Planning to do a little bit of adventure here. Not recommended, definitely. So let's see where we head to if we follow this trail. हाँ मस्त बॉर्डर क्रॉसिंग भी इधर this handlebar mount for my GoPro recently, so trying out the new POV. Hope you enjoy. So that was it for today. We had some trail hunting and that's it. So meet you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe, ride safe.